Hi, my name is Zany. I go to University of Kent, but in Bali I go to University of, how you say it? Udayana. So originally I was going to Spain, so I had to try to sort everything out in a different order. But when I was doing Bali, I was a little low on money and I was trying to figure out ways. And originally I did the flights and I did the visa, and then I paid half of the tuition fee. But when I came to Bali, I didn't pay the rest. But everyone was really understanding in my situation, and they let me have enough time to pay the rest of the money. And I've done that now, and yeah, I'm just happy. The process was really easy. It was just because of me, it just made it harder, but it's really easy. Originally, I wanted to join because it linked to my course in University of Kent, sports science. And I wanted to do it here because I wanted to go to Bali, an Asian country or somewhere out of the UK. And this is my third country that I came by myself. And I was like, yeah, Bali is a very nice country to go to. And I wanted to understand the culture, understand the scenery. I wanted to experience sport in a different country other than the UK. So I felt like this was the best fit for me. The expectations went skyrocketed because I didn't expect to do half of the things that we did in such a close amount of time. And I'm so happy that I didn't expect as much, because by everything, the culture, the surfing, even the paddleboarding, the cycling, learning about turtles and all that, I've never experienced that. And because I've experienced that, it literally opened my mind into understanding Balinese culture as well as just things outside of the UK. And I'm so happy I came here. Yeah, I've experienced a few. So I think the first one was the roads. Some of your traffic lights don't work and people just go anywhere. And the bikes, there's so many motorcycles, and that's overwhelming. That was a big culture shock. Two, I think the people are very nice, and it's different to the UK, because of course in London, where I'm based in, most people are just very quiet. They're very into themselves. And then you go to somewhere in Kent, they're more talkative. But I've experienced that so much here in Bali, and I'm very grateful. It was a big culture shock, so yeah. So in my University of Kent, they always put up posters or links to places where you can go abroad and study. Originally, my lecturer would tell us about Bali and the sports course that they do here, and I was intrigued and I wanted to get involved. So I asked him, what more can I do? How can I research? Who can I ask? And yeah, he gave me all the information, and it was quite easy to get a hold and into it, basically. So almost every single day we wake up very early, either 5, 6, maybe even 4, but just to do field lectures or to get up to go to the Udayana University to do lectures and studies. And me, I'm not a morning person, so I would always struggle. I would always be late every single day. And even Robert, we're both late. There's times where I have to wake him up, he wakes me up. But it's fun to do all the activities, the different activities, and I'll say it's worth it getting up in the morning very early. Even though I'm grouchy, but I'll show how happy I am just to be there. This program really helps you understand yourself, and it also helps you to get a new experience other than you see with other places. It's just you go do tourist activities, you go do that, you don't know anyone there. But here you have people who you can connect with, people who there's a community who you can go ask if anything, places that you need to go, tourist sites you want to see, what's the best one to go to, and they give you actual advice on what you can actually do here, instead of you just trying to be spontaneous and just go do whatever. But it's very I'll say structured, but it's spontaneous at the same time.